Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. And if you're not, welcome back. I am looking at these ears in the camera and I'm just obsessed with these ears. They're so cute. So today we're gonna be doing the Pooh ears. This is an SVG from our Mickey Ear Factory. So if you want to get the design to be able to do this tutorial, we have it for purchase on auntietay.com. We also have it available for free included in your membership if you are a Craft Day Community member on auntietay.com. So check out the website. We have tons of SVGs. This is all a part of the Mickey Ear Factory, which is this cool page that has SVGs that help you do your Ariel ears and your Pooh ears and all different ears, and I'm coming out with more each season. I'll be launching like at least 5 to 10 new pairs of ears each season, which I'm so excited about. But what I'm really excited about is seeing your projects that you do with these. So watch this tutorial if you're trying to use this SVG, and let's get going. Alrighty guys, we're gonna start with our silicone mat because ironing on our silicone mat is a game changer because it's nice and big and it can handle the heat, and you can get it at shopauntietay.com. So I'm gonna use felt for the honey pot of the Mickey, or the Winnie the Pooh Mickey ear, and I'm just going to cut out my SVG of all the colors and have that ready. And I'm using a couple different colors, tan, gold, and black. And I'm just gonna lay these out before I cut out my honey pot. And then I'm going to cut out my honey pot of this felt. This felt is like a tan felt. I'm not sure the exact color that it is, but it's a tan felt. And I'm just gonna fold this in half and work with that in a little bit. So the Pooh one I'm also doing on felt. I love working with felt for Mickey ears because it's very forgiving and you could do it by hand. So if you wanna know how to make a felt Mickey ears, I have a video on how to make felt Mickey ears. But this video is specifically just to show you how to use the Winnie the Pooh SVGs when you are making your Mickey ears. Our Winnie the Pooh SVG, as well as all the other SVGs you're gonna be seeing this summer, are available to my members, and you have access to all of these so you can just make Mickey ears to your little heart's desire. This I actually did a little different. I put it on the felt and then I went in and traced my stencil. Again, you'll get the SVG for this stencil as well as a member, or you can purchase the different bundles on Auntie Tay as well individually, but it's definitely worth it to be a member. So I traced the honey pot onto the felt, and then I am just going to sew them and then turn them right side out. For the honey pot, a little extra touch I did was embroidered the top just to make it look like it was an actual honey pot. And I'm using a stitch where I go forward a little bit and then work my way backward so that there's no empty spaces in the stitch. And then I'm gonna cross over to the other side, avoiding the honey, so it looks like the honey is pouring out over the edge. And then I'm just going to finish this off by doing a few stitches all the way to the edge and then wrapping around the felt at the end so that the entire top has a seam at the top. Oh look, there's Scrump. That's a sneak peek to a different video, so if you want to see that, check that one out too. And then just follow the rest of the tutorial on my Mickey ear video, which is, the link is in the description.